got the basic concept of ETABS. From now onwards, we'll get into the core of this course. In this section, we will learn how to model a residential building. Okay, so for this purpose, I have used a real architectural drawing. So let us go to the architectural drawing. So this over here represents the architectural drawing of a 3-story building. Before designing any structure, you have to first get the architectural drawing of that structure. If it is a simple structure, then a civil engineer himself or herself can prepare that drawing. But if it's any advanced structure, in that case, a professional architect needs to do the work. So here we got the architectural drawing, and once you get the architectural drawing, you have to study the drawing carefully in order to see how your structure actually is. Okay, so here we got different floor plans as well as the elevations. So we will look these floor plans one by one. So if I zoom in into the floor plan, so you can use the middle mouse button to zoom in, and here it is the ground floor. So you can see over here that, so this is the entrance, and you got the staircase void over here. Then you got the bedroom, another kitchen and dining. So water closet, that is just the bathroom, and here is the living room and the bedroom. So ground floor plan, it's in the rectangular shape, so it's very easy to model in ETABS. Similarly, you got for the first floor plan. Okay, so the ground floor plan and the first floor plan look pretty much similar. And similarly, you got the second floor plan, and over here you got the roof, or you can say the terrace, right? So here you can see these dotted lines. So if you see the elevation, that is the south elevation, then you can see that there is a sloped roof over here. So this dotted structure over here represents this sloped roof, right? So this is the south elevation, this is the west elevation, and this is the north, and this is the east elevation. I'll attach this drawing here, so you download it and study this drawing carefully to get idea of what you actually want to model. Okay, so this over here is the section XX. So it shows the staircase. So section XX is generally at the staircase, right? Okay, this is how you get the idea of your architectural drawing. This is very simple architecture. So here you can see that ground floor plan and the first floor plan are pretty much similar, except that you got a balcony over here. Okay, so in this situation, there is nothing much to do, but if somehow your first floor plan is different than the ground floor plan, there might be addition of any grid or subtraction of any grid. In that situation, what you do is you always start with the ground floor plan. That means you define the grids taking into consideration the ground floor plan, and you either add or subtract the grids for other floors. Okay, so if you need to add any item, you just define a new grid. If there are any structures in the first floor or the other floors that need new grid lines, in that case you define the grid lines there only. So don't define the grid lines for each and every structure in the beginning. Okay, the grid lines will confuse you. So just start from the ground floor plan and keep on adding the grid lines if and when you need. So having this in mind, so let us go to ETABS and define our model. So we'll go to ETABS